going a little cockeyed there. Hey, Nicholas. Gonna wave to mommy? No? Okay. No waving. Nicholas. Is your name Nicholas?
No.
Are you a little boy?
Yeah.
His first day of his swing, his father just built for him. Pretty heavy duty, huh? Of course, Toby's got to get in on the action too.
Hey!
Whoop. So much for that.
Okay, Nicholas. Get it! Mr. Nicholas. Going lower.
Okay, Nicholas, say bye-bye.